Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our 12th lesson, पानी और धूप. पानी और धूप. पानी बोले तो water. धूप बोले तो sunlight. पानी और धूप, water and sunlight. Okay. अभी अभी थी धूप. अभी अभी थी धूप means अभी means now. Okay. Now it was very sunlight means there was a heavy sunrise. Now only it was very sunrise. बरसने लगा कहाँ से यह पानी, but don't know where from where the water has come. That means it is raining. If you observe sometimes, if there will be sudden sunrise, huge sunrise, okay, there will be more of sunrise, but suddenly if you see the weather changes and the rain comes, right? So the child is describing the weather as same like that now only it was a heavy sunrise, but don't know where the rain has come very suddenly. किसने फोड़ गड़े बादल के, की है इतनी शैतानी. किसने फोड़ गड़े बादल के means from where the rain will come, from clouds, right? The rain comes from clouds. So the girl is asking who has broken the tumbler of the cloud. That means she is describing how the rain has come. Who has broke the tumbler of the cloud? Gade means what? Binda we will say, right? Binda, water, pani ka binda. So who had broken it? Who is very that much of naughty? Shaitani. कौन है इतना शैतानी means who is that person who is very very naughty, who has broken the cloud, सूरज ने क्यों बंद कर लिया, सूरज ने क्यों बंद कर लिया अपने घर का दरवाजा. Why the sun has closed his doors? Because there was no sunrise, right? So she is asking why the sun has closed his doors, as we cannot find the sunrise. उसकी माँ ने भी क्यों उसको बुला लिया कहकर राजा. And the son's mother, why did she called the son to come inside? She is describing why the son's mother also called inside to come close the door. Okay. जोर शोर से गरज रहे हैं बादल है किसके काका. Who the thunders, the storms, right? The storms are, there was a heavy sounds of thunder. There was a heavy sounds of जोर जोर से गरज रहे बादल है किसके काका. There was a heavy sounds of the thunders, and it is asking who is that making that much of sound. किसको डांट रहे हैं. Why you are shouting, for whom you are scolding. किसने कहना नहीं सुना माँ का. Why you are scolding, for whom you are scolding. Who didn't listen to his mother's, who has not listened to his mother. Why you are shouting. Okay, the child is describing the sounds of the thunders, like why you are scolding and for whom you are scolding. Which child has not listened to his mother. Okay, what is this poem about? It is about the rain and the water and the sun. And what is the child saying? As there was a heavy sunrise, but don't know from where the rain has come very suddenly. Okay. And who has broken the clouds? And why the sun has gone inside and closed his doors? Why the son's mother called him inside? Okay. And why, don't know why, and for whom the clouds are scolding very very loudly, because it was very thunderstorm. It was a heavy sounds of clouds. Okay. And she is asking who has not listened to his mother. That's the reason the clouds are scolding very very loudly. Understand everyone? Why she said the that last line, who has not listened to his mother why it is scolding? Do you know our mothers will be saying few stories while eating also? Chandamama Rave, Jabili Rave, like that. So some or the other mother will be saying in the rainy seasons that if you don't listen to me, the clouds will shout on you. Okay, some or the other mothers will be saying to their children that if you don't listen to my words, if you don't eat properly, the clouds will shout at you. The clouds will shout at you and make very very sound, make many big sounds. Then you will get afraid and then you will eat. If still that time you will be making this naughtiness, right? The mother's parents will be saying such type of things. Okay. By this we have completed our Paniya aur Duk lesson, and it was written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. It was written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. I will read the lesson now. Listen carefully. अभी अभी थी धूप, बरसने लगा कहाँ से यह पानी, किसने फोड़ गड़े बादल के, की है इतनी शैतानी, सूरज ने क्यों बंद कर लिया अपने घर का दरवाज़ा, उसकी माँ ने भी क्या उसको बुला लिया कहकर आ जा, जोर जोर से गरज रहे हैं बादल है किसके काका, किसको डांट रहे हैं, किसने कहना नहीं सुना माँ का. Okay, understood? Now we will go to the dictation part. बादल, 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 बाकी आकी मात्रा बा, दाला, बादल. शैतानी, शा की आई की मात्रा शै, ता की आ की मात्रा ता, ना की बड़ी की मात्रा नी, शैतानी. बादल, शैतानी. दरवाज़ा, द र, वा की आ की मात्रा वा, जा की आ की मात्रा जा, दरवाज़ा, दरवाज़ा. फोड़, फा की ओ की मात्रा फो, डा, फोड़, फा की ओ की मात्रा फो, डा, फोड़. घड़े, घ, डा की ए की मात्रा डे, गढ़े. फोड़, घड़े, ग, डा की ए की मात्रा डे, घड़े. माँ, माँ की आ की मात्रा माँ, माँ की चंद्रबिंदु माँ, माँ. सूरज, सा की ऊ की मात्रा सू, राजा, सूरज, सूरज. काका, का की आ की मात्रा का की आ की मात्रा का, काका, काका. डांट, डा की आ की मात्रा डा, डा की चंद्रबिंदु डा, टा, डांट. बरसने, ब, र, स, ना की एक की मात्रा ने, बरसने, बरसने. Okay, the remaining part of the lesson will continue in the next video. Thank you.